Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Harmon, and today in math, we are going to be talking about tens. The big idea to take away from today is that 10 ones can be grouped together to make a 10. So let's get started. Remember earlier this week when we played a game called Zircle and we were counting units using Zircle? Well, today we're going to play a new game. Let's see if you can help me figure out what the units are. Let's start counting. And we have our two plates ready to put our little counters on. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to play a counting game with a different number called 10. This will be our unit today. Let's keep going. So now we have our 10 cubes, our 10 counters over here in the cup. So how do we start counting again? We have to include this unit. How many tens is this? That's right, 110. Let's get started. 110, 1, 110, 2. What comes next? 110, 3. Yep, that's right. 110, 4. 110, 5. Great job. 110, 6. 110, 7. 110, 8. 110, 9. What comes next? Hmm. So we have 110 right now, and we have 9 ones. And we were keeping track of that with our chart over here. I wonder what will happen when we go past 9. What do you think will happen? Are we going to have 110, 10? Or will we have two tens? Let's find out. Did you make your guess? Okay. Two tens. Is that what you had predicted? Great job. So now we have two tens and we need to move them over to the left with our 110. So now we have one, two tens. What's another way we could count this? If we weren't counting by tens, using the say the 10 way method, what would come after 10? Let's put our fingers out in front of us. So put your two hands out. We're going to start at 10 and then count a number after 10. Ready? Let's go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 2 tens is the same as saying 20. What's 1 10 2 the same as? 1 10 2 is the same as saying 12. What about 1 10 5? Tell someone next to you. 1 10 5 is the same as saying 15. That's right. Great job. So, did you enjoy this Say the 10 way counting game? What did you notice about it? What was similar or different than the Zirkle game? Okay, let's keep going. So, today in Seesaw, you're going to get a 99 chart. And your goal is to fill it out by using the spinner to count which number you're going to start at. So, the first box is going to have a 0. Then you're going to roll a die or spin the spinner. Some of you may have your paper spinner in your packet. And you'll just need the pencil and a paper clip to spin it. Or you can use the virtual spinner. I'll show you what that looks like. So the virtual spinner, I'll include a link. But it looks like this, and you click spin. Okay. So after you spin it, you're going to count that many spaces and write that number in the box where you land. So in this example, we spun the spinner and it landed on 8. So we have to count starting right after 0. Count with me. Let's see where we land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to write the number 8 here. How many more do you need to make a 10? Tell someone your answer next to you. You can say, I need blank more to make a 10. You can also think about 8 plus what equals 10? Or 10 minus 8 equals. So let's see what we get. Let's start from 8 and keep counting. 8, 9, 10. So how many more spaces do we need to get 10? 1, 2. All right. So 2 more spaces to make a 10. You're going to spin again. Count that many spaces from your last number and write the new number in the box where you land. If you get to a new 10, write that 10, then keep going. Continue spinning till you reach 99. So we spun it and got 8, and then we counted to get to 10, and then we spun again. So from 13, how many more do we need to make 10? Let's count. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now we can write 20 in the box. Another thing you can do is spin it twice and add that number together to see where you go from 13. So if we spun it twice and got 1 and 4, we could add 1 plus 4 to get 5. So let's go from 13 and add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 plus 5. You can either count on from 13 or use your fingers to help you. So you're going to use the spinner or some dice to help you roll and keep filling in as many numbers as you can. And you're going to try to make 10. And then keep going until you reach 99. All right. Happy Friday, everyone, and good luck. If you have any questions, please reach out to your teacher. Goodbye.